All right guys, so it's a super rainy, boring Saturday. I've been sitting around all day, just bored out of my mind. So I said, what the hell? I'm just gonna take a ride in the rain. Attempt to ride to the stream. Possibly a terrible idea, but let's see. It is so muddy and slippery. Look how soft the ground is. I don't know if you guys can see the kickstands just sinking straight in. Here we go. All right guys, so I'm at the bottom of a huge hill right now, and it is going to be extremely difficult to climb back up this. I know this video is not going to do any justice to how big this hill is or how steep it is, but it is going to be a hell of a climb. But I'm going to do a little walk around here. You can really see the stream here, how high it is. I might not be able to make it back up this. I honestly did not expect that to happen. Shit. Tearing up my ferns. Well, shit. This is not where I planned on being. But whatever. Now I'm really glad I did not bring the KDX. All right. Well. Well, that was definitely wild. What the hell, I said I was bored, and that definitely spiced up the day. Gave me something to talk about. No doubt. Definitely didn't do any damage to the bike, just fell over in the mud a couple of times. Maybe did a little loop out, but there we go. Hope you guys enjoyed that as much as I did. Thanks for watching. All right, so Luke says he can do the hill better than me, that I suck, that he can come up it smooth and clean, that I had a hard time because it's my skills, not because it's muddy and soft and pouring down rain. But so we're going to see. He's going to use the same bike and do the same hill.